Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Hey, how are you?
All right, everybody. Armchair Bikers TV. It's Zach, aka the Bearded Stick. We got Boomer Buzz behind the camera. Today we are in the village of Lake George, and we got the pit bikes out for the Winter Carnival. During this time of year, they do let off-road vehicles, as long as they're registered and insured. They let them ride around the local streets of Lake George. They do a poker run, which we're not participating in today, but we're still going to run around and show you the different spots. So yeah, the plan is just to rip around in the snow, have a little bit of fun, hopefully not fall, and see where the day takes us. All right, Lake George. Here's what the lake's looking like. It's got a very thin, super thin sheet of ice on it. It was open water last week, so people are walking on it, which is a little sketchy, because it's definitely like paper thin, not thick enough to ride anything on, but people are walking on it, so it doesn't look like they're falling through yet.
I've got my orange jacket on, dude, so this is for safety, man.
All right, cool. Head out.
I'll stay behind you for safety.
On the open road.
On the open road. George.
So most people are on ATVs and side-by-sides for good reason, because everything's ice and snow. So dirt bikes probably aren't the best vehicles of choice for this.
But we're not the smartest folk.
But we're dumb. So yeah, it is ice, dude. So
Yeah, a little bit icy.
it is ice, so I'm not gonna be doing any supermoto. Not bad. All right, we taking a left on this road, right?
Yeah. Yep. There's only a certain amount of roads you can ride on when you're up here. They mostly, you can't go up the main drag. You got to go up a lot of these back roads. So you have to be licensed, registered, and insured. So
Straight up snow, baby.
So we went from $1 Million Beach parking lot, turned onto Beach Road, and then took a left. And this road brings you up to the main drag near Stewart's. And all you can do is cross over the main drag.
Oh, that truck didn't give a shit.
Did he slow down?
No, I don't think so. I think he sped up. Slick.
Oh, of course, my shield is fogging up. I can't see it. So I close my shield, it fogs up. I open it up, my eyes freeze.
Oh, can you crack it open?
Yeah, if I crack it, my eyes are cold.
Oh, easy, bud. You're going down a hill. Holy ski. Holy shit, dude.
I have my safety vest on. That's why I can go.
You're gonna slide.
I can go these speeds. I have a safety jacket on. That's why it's orange, bud. Yeah, baby. Oh, look at all the ATVs are lined up at the. This is the place that's putting on the poker run on the left.
Oh, what is it called? Backfest barbecue?
No, Billy.
Oh, Backstreet
Yeah.
barbecue. And yeah, we're the only ones on dirt bikes. As you can see, people looking at us like we're idiots. Yeah, because we are. Everybody's like, what the hell?
What them two idiots riding them pit bikes for? Now we could. Let's go down the bottom of the hill and just see, because you can take the sidewalk. But all the way down.
Let's go, yeah, go that way. Yeah, good idea.
But I don't know how busy the sidewalk will be.
Go that way.
Oh, okay. How you do that? How you do that?
Oh, you rope around this way?
No, I'm saying, look at the people down there.
Oh, there's a trail. Look at people who are riding.
Huh?
There's a trail. People are riding. Look at.
I
People
know.
are going this way. through. You can funnel through the people.
There's no tracks. There's no fresh tracks. I'm looking at your fresh tracks. There's none.
Well, no, but there's underneath it, though.
Huh?
Underneath it, it's snowing. Like, I had snow on my bike when we were unloading them, so. Holy shit.
Holy shit. Okay, we're not going on the sidewalk, dude. I'm going on the road.
Okay. Yeah,
wow. I just blew my hip out.
You old man. I blew my hip out.
No, I did. Did you see that? That was dumb.
Holy shit. Hill climb.
Made it up. Wow. Dude, that was, I cannot believe that just hit me by surprise.
You went down, brother.
I was almost, dude, I thought I was going down. And then I put my foot out. Of course, I got my sneakers on, my safety sneakers.
Going down, brother. Yeah, you got your winter sneakers on?
I got my winter sneakers on, yeah. Everybody's lining up to go into Backstreet Barbecue to get their cards and do all their stuff. Holy cow, he came from Pennsylvania for this? I mean, this is fun, but I don't think it's Pennsylvania fun.
Not as fun as Pennsylvania?
I'm just saying, no, the drive is not fun from Pennsylvania for this.
All right, ready? This is going to be just like Evil Knievel right here. Look at me, ready? This is going to be the Evil Knievel stunt. Oh, fuck. Oh, I made it! Get wrecked, nerd!
Wow, you did it.
Dude.
All right, come on back. Come on back. Can you make it back?
No, I can't make it back. I'm stuck over here. Right,
oh, wait, do it. Make it back. Hit it, dude.
I know,
Hit it.
I'm getting ready.
Hit it like you mean it.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Almost broke my wrist.
Oh, that was almost over the bars, bud.
Oh shit, I'm stuck. I'm high centered. Oh, I almost broke my wrist. Ow! Holy shit. That hurt.
I saw it bend over and go off the handlebar.
Oh.
Oh, you okay?
No, I gotta retire after that. Oh, yeah, you try going over that.
No,
Go
it's
over
too cold. Too cold. I got sneakers on, dude. I'm gonna fill them with snow.
Oh shit.
Oh, shooby doo.
Oh, here we go. Whoa!
Holy shit. Oh my god.
I'm going crazy. Whoa, I'm going crazy. Whoa! Oh, it's better than the deep snow. That's pretty fun.
There we go.
Holy shit. Oh shit. We're back on the trail.
Oh, what's this?
Pretty sure it's this guy's property.
Huh?
Oh, is there tracks? Okay. Oh my God.
Might be his property. Turn around. Turn around. He's coming out.
Is he?
Yeah, he's coming out. Get out.
Oh. No, he's not.
He's got a gun.
He's got a gun.
He's got a gun. Get out.
Whoa. Yeah, get over it.
I now have.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Look at my shoe. Look at baby do.
Out of breath.
Look at this.
Out of breath. Oh.
Oh my God, my shield is completely fogged up.
Yeah, I see why.
Huh?
I see why people have those snowmobile shields.
Yeah.
They're like heated.
Yeah, I see that.
'Cause,
This is awful.
This is kind of bad.
The minute you start breathing, your shield just. You gotta quit breathing. That's why you can't breathe during this.
Yeah, okay, just stop breathing, man.
If you just stop breathing, you're fine.
I have the solution.
I have the solution. Stop breathing.
That might be ice. Oh shit! Oh, you fucking stand up! It's trail riding over here. Woo!
Are you back on the road?
No, not back on the road.
All right, we're going in. We're in the parking lot.
I'm going through here. Where's
All right, I'll meet you over there. That goes right to the parking lot.
Oh, okay.
Holy cow. Man, I can't see. Oh shit, cops coming.
They saw us.
Yep. Oh. Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Hey, how are you? I'm
Good.
not mad about it, and I'm not. How is it registered?
ATV.
Oh, it is an ATV.
Yeah, I got a plate. I got insurance cards.
No, I'm just asking. I've never seen a dirt bike registered. That was it. We were talking about it. We didn't know how they got registered.
Oh yeah, yeah. You can register. Yeah, you're supposed to have every.
I'm not saying you do anything wrong at all. I was just curious.
Oh, okay.
For my well-being, I've never seen an ATV registered or a dirt bike registered.
Yeah, I mean, legally in New York State, you're supposed to have everything registered. These get registered now. All dirt bikes at the dealership when you buy them as an ATV. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yep.
You guys have a great rest of your day.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Yeah,
you
you
too.
go, man.
Yep.
Take it. Oh, nice! You almost got us arrested.
Yeah, you're riding on the sidewalk over there.
No, that's what you're supposed to use.
No, you're not. Are you?
Yeah, there's ATV tracks over there. Yeah, you're supposed to use them.